Uswika lini izwi zwi tshi ḓo dzula zwo rali? Uswika lini hu tshi ḓo vha nṋe kha zwoṱhe? Ndi lini hune roṱhe ra ḓo lingedza hu si vhe nṋe ndi ndoṱhe ndi lingedzaho? No, I can't carry on like this. My life is absent of bliss. This fragile heart of mine needs a break. I'm at war. There's too much volume of pain attacking me. It's like migraine headache. I gain nothing from this, from us. Look at me. I have even lost weight. Days have come and I'm always stressed, misplaced and depressed. I worry about us. Is it me? Am I not adorable? Am I cursed? I love you. I love us. I think about us, but I can see there's no more us. Set me free. This love has worn me out. I am better off alone. I am chained like a Negro slave to this relationship. I toil but no pay. I love you but you no longer love me. I miss you but you don't miss me anymore. You misuse me and always excuse me. I tried to revive this to make it work, but how you shut me down makes me fall back. Rufuno rashu rofelera ngapi? But you have demoted this relationship to your past being. Last night you proved me right by making me feel bad. I wanted you to hold me, to comfort me as a man, but you pushed me to the edge of the bed. From then I knew, I slept awake, and it came to my reality that this is the end. Please set me free. Why is it hard for you to end what you have started, but easy for you to abuse me? Niyazvihumbura na zvila nichintengesela miloro yamu, miloro yavudhi yonakesaho yodzangelwaho nga lufuno rusagumi nḓuni yangu. Ndapfa uhone ndosvika hayani, hayani kule kule milamboni mihulu hu rotholelaho. A songo vhuya zwa ni dzhiela na tshifhinga u ndaṱela kule, na ntsitsa vhulegelegeni ndi tshi tou penya na mbeya phuseni. Vhonani ndi yo phiwa hanyi no ntsia ndo rano, ndi vhonga phuli yo shumaho i si hole. Ni ya mbona na ndo ṱungufhala zwinzhi, ndo thuthwa nda sala ndi tshi nga dumba ḽi sina muṋe. Uḽa muḓi washu wavhuḓi no u thutha wa sala u shuphi. Emotionally you have drained me to emptiness. Inside of me I'm a dirty mess. I can't love myself too. I was wondering why you no longer need me, but I realized that I can't be loved because I also loved you more than I loved my own self. No kwasheka nyambilu yanga. Mbohororeni ndikale nondindedza. Mbohororeni ndoneta ndikale ndolindela ine. Ndichiri pamwe na zwanga zwi ḓo fana vho na zwa vhaṅwe. Ndikale ndonilindela.